All right, so it's been about a week, and this is the Sakura tomato plant seedlings, and as you can see, they're very leggy. That's probably a good 3 inches, if not more, and it's just like a thread. So I am going to, unfortunately, abandon the Sakura tomatoes and go with something else. However, if you wanted to try and save your seedlings when they get to this point, I would probably take them and put them under some pretty intense light. Not so close that it would burn the plants, but definitely some light. Now these were supposed to have been germinated in the dark, which I did. The heat mat underneath kept it warm, and I came out here yesterday and there was literally nothing breaching the soil, and so they just blew up overnight. The seeds themselves were, all of them look like they're germinating. There's 3 in here, and I see at least 2 in this one. So out of the 6, one of them did not bust through the soil yet. Like I said, I'm going to probably abandon these. I'll let these grow out, but not for the hydroponics. I'm going to shift over to a jalapeno plant, which I just happened to pick up today, but it is not a seedling. So it's going to be interesting in itself to try and transplant over a small young jalapeno into a hydroponics bucket from soil. So we're going to go ahead and try that project for this this growing season, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned.